Guys, we're out here doing a little bit of a backyard cook. We're gonna be reviewing and testing this Govee meat thermometer coming up. What's up, guys? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we're doing things a little differently. We're doing a bit of a backyard cook, but we are reviewing a new thermometer that Govee company sent me. It's a wireless Bluetooth thermometer. This thing is awesome. It has 6 ports. All right, so you can, if you have a big enough smoker, you have 6 different meats you can use and check the temperature on. It's Bluetooth. You download an app to your phone. Real easy to use. Barely minimal instructions. This thing, I've been using it a few times. The temperatures are pretty spot on. Maybe a couple degrees here and there off of from what my Thermometer does. I think it's about as accurate as can be. It's good for just regular backyard cooks that if your degrees are off by a couple, it ain't gonna change your game. The good people at Govee gave me a code to use for you guys to get a little bit of percentage off. I'll put that link below. If you're interested in getting this thing, hit that link below. And if you want to get one of these things, it'll take you to Amazon. Use the code, get a little percentage off. I'll splice in a couple of the screenshots I took from my phone. It's just a real easy, quick, simple review. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're gonna unbox this bad boy right here. This Govee comes with a user manual. Not bad. Little social media bit right here. The main apparatus. All right. Got all the ports. Very nice, very nice. They're all colored. Very cool. So we're using blue and silver. All right, so the diagram on the back. So the battery in the back here. Let's pull this little connection piece off. Already comes with batteries, so we're good to go. Little stand. Here's the hook. All right, guys, we're gonna find this app. We're going to the app store. And on the instructions, it says to go search for Govee Home. Go to search. Govee Home. All right, let's let that download. All right, got it downloaded. I'm gonna allow it to send notifications. We'll get it paired up with our device over here. Yes, adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you. If I may, if I may. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you night and day. If I may. I like to. I like to love you every day. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this the wind chimes going. It's real nice and peaceful out here. It was a beautiful day to be out in the backyard cooking. It's good to go. Give it a shot. Us weekend warriors out here, it'll do the trick. And having that Bluetooth capability, so you can be all the way across the house, check your phone, you're good to go. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.